Are you ready for the ultimate smoothie challenge? A challenge that will not only tantalize your taste buds, but also boost your health. Brace yourself as we dive into an ocean of flavors, each carrying its own unique health benefits. From the lush greens to the vibrant berries, from the exotic tropical fruits to the humble everyday veggies, we have a smoothie recipe for every palate. So let's embark on this nutrient-packed journey, and remember, there's a whole world of smoothies waiting for you. Dare to take on this ultimate smoothie challenge and boost your health with each sip. Now, let's dive into the colorful world of smoothie recipes, each as delicious as it is nutritious. Imagine starting your day with a glass of vibrant green goodness. This is the Green Detox Smoothie, the perfect blend of spinach, cucumber, apple, and a splash of water for a refreshing touch. It's not just a refreshing way to kickstart your morning, but also a powerhouse of essential nutrients. The spinach packs a punch of iron while the cucumber keeps you hydrated, and the apple brings a natural sweetness, making this smoothie a fantastic way to cleanse your body. Moving on, we have the Berry Blast Smoothie. This is a delightful concoction of mixed berries and Greek yogurt, a splash of almond milk for a creamy but light consistency. Each sip delivers a burst of antioxidants from the berries, while the Greek yogurt provides a creamy texture and a dose of healthy probiotics. The result is a smoothie that's as beneficial for your gut as it is delightful to your taste buds. For those who yearn for a tropical escape, the Tropical Delight Smoothie is your ticket to paradise. This exotic blend of mango, banana, coconut milk, and a splash of orange juice is a taste of the tropics in a glass. The mango and banana provide a rich source of vitamins and fiber, while the coconut milk adds a creamy, dairy-free twist. It's a smoothie that transports you to a sun-soaked beach with every sip, all while nourishing but the rainbow doesn't stop here. There's the orange immunity booster, with carrots, oranges, and ginger, full of vitamin C and immunity-boosting properties. Or perhaps the purple power smoothie, with blueberries, banana, and almond milk, that's chock full of antioxidants, heart-healthy fats. Each of these smoothies is a testament to the fact that healthy doesn't have to be boring or tasteless. With the right blend of fruits, vegetables, and add-ins, every smoothie can be a delicious exploration of flavors and a boost of nutrition. Indeed, a smoothie for every mood and every health goal. But the challenge doesn't end here. Now that you've had a taste of the rainbow of smoothie recipes, are you ready to take up the challenge? Welcome to the Ultimate Smoothie Challenge. This isn't just about blending fruits and vegetables together. It's about exploring the variety of nature's bounty, unlocking the vast potential of your taste buds, and nurturing your body with a power-packed punch of nutrients. Every smoothie you make is a step towards better health. Think about it. When you start your day with a green smoothie, you're not just having a meal. You're consuming a concentrated dose of vitamins, minerals, and fiber that not only satiate your hunger, but also kickstart your metabolism, boost your energy levels, and nourish your cells. But wait, it doesn't stop here. This challenge is also about creativity. It's about trying new combinations, discovering new flavors, and creating your own signature smoothie. And when you do, don't keep it to yourself. Share your smoothie masterpiece with your friends, your family, or even the world. Let us all be part of your smoothie journey. Remember, there's no right or wrong here. It's all about enjoying the process. The more you experiment, the more you learn. The more you learn, the more you grow. And isn't that what life is all about? So are you ready to rise to the challenge? Remember, every sip brings you one step closer to better health. Good luck, and may your smoothie journey be as vibrant as the rainbow. Have a smoothie recipe you want to share? Then feel free to leave it in the comments below. Who knows, we might even add it to our harmonysmoothie.com site. Thanks for watching, and please like, share, subscribe. Want to learn more about creating amazing smoothies, healthy eating to improve your life, smoothie technology, and kitchen essentials? Then remember to head on over to harmonysmoothie.com for more great recipes and smoothie tips and tricks.